Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bumper glue is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your car, because a damaged bumper not only affects the aesthetics but also compromises the structural integrity of your vehicle, potentially leading to more significant problems down the line. Choosing the right bumper glue can mean the difference between a quick, effective repair and a costly replacement, so finding the best one for your needs is crucial. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 5. JB Weld Plasticbonder. It's a quick-setting, two-part urethane adhesive system. It creates strong, lasting repairs on a variety of materials. For over 40 years, it has earned a loyal following among those who demand quality. It provides the world's strongest bond for your projects. It has a simple 1:1 mixing ratio, sets in just 15 minutes, and can be sanded after 30 minutes. It's incredibly easy to use. With a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, it cures to a hard, permanent bond. You can depend on its strength and durability. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, it works on various materials including plastics, composites, and PVC. It also makes a great gap filler. It's the ultimate solution for strong, lasting repairs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It sets in just 15 minutes and boasts a tensile strength of 3,770 psi. If you need a strong, fast-setting adhesive for various materials, this is perfect for you. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of repair and crafting projects. What people say. The JB Weld Plasticbonder forms a solid bond that holds up well under stress, making it perfect for automotive repairs and other demanding applications. The quick setting time is also a huge plus, allowing me to complete projects efficiently without long waiting periods. Worked great on my polymer suitcase. After applying generous amounts of the epoxy along the crack, on both the inside and outside of the suitcase, the crack is gone. While I did not do any finishing work to the patch, it appears that it can be sanded down and smoothed out if one desired to do so. I had a plastic trim piece on my car that kept falling off despite being professionally reattached, twice, at a body shop. I decided to give this a try and so far, so good. It has held much longer than any of the professional repairs have lasted, including through the automatic car wash. Number 4. MITREAPEL CA Glue. This instant glue simplifies your projects. Just apply a few drops, spray the activator, and bond the pieces in seconds. It's that easy. It delivers a clean, professional bond for any project. Whether it's industrial or a DIY craft, it provides the strong hold you need. No long waits. With the activator, it bonds in 5 to 12 seconds. Without it, curing takes up to 2 minutes. The activator spray is easy to control, and the glue's viscosity prevents messy applications. A little goes a long way. It works on various materials like wood, glass, stone, and metal. However, avoid using it on non-stick surfaces or polyethylene. What we like. This glue and activator combo creates an incredibly fast bond in seconds. If you value speed in a clean application, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who need quick repairs and precise bonding on various surfaces. What people say. This was a nice little kit to be able to glue and instantly adhere pieces together without waiting. Made gluing cedar shingles to my birdhouse roof easy. Sticks in seconds, allowing you to get your project done quickly. Have used this product with great success on wood, plastic, and metal. As long as I prep each surface by cleaning off any dust and residue, usually with an air gun hose or rubbing alcohol, respectively, then glue one surface and spray activator on the other, join and hold a few seconds, it works flawlessly. Number 3. Rhino Glue Gel. It bonds virtually everything in seconds. This makes it perfect for quick repairs around the house or workshop. The triple distilled formula ensures stronger bonds. It works great on plastics, metals, wood, rubber, and more. It's designed to withstand impacts, shocks, moisture, heat, and vibrations. You can trust it to hold up under pressure. It's a clear adhesive, so your repairs will be virtually invisible. And it's tough enough for even the most demanding jobs. Unlike other gel glues, it won't clog or dry out. You'll always have it ready to use when you need it. This 30-gram tube provides plenty of glue for all your projects. It's the perfect size for home use and small repairs. What we like. It's a heavy-duty gel that creates incredibly strong, long-lasting bonds. If you need a glue that can withstand impacts, shock, and extreme conditions, this is your best bet. It's perfect for projects requiring superior durability and resistance. What people say. It's so strong and dries relatively quickly. It works on almost everything. It has the best little tip nozzle to apply to whatever you need. The adhesive quality is top-notch as long as it's a surface that is applicable. It was easy to use, no mixing, it worked on glass and canvas as promised, drying within 15 to 20 seconds, so I didn't even need clamps as I worked the top in 5 to 6 inch sections. Works great for gluing motorcycle grips back on after coming loose, sets up in less than a couple minutes. Number 2. Pasco Super Glue. It's the strongest adhesive available. Bonds materials as strongly as welding, making it incredibly durable. There's virtually no material it can't bond. It's incredibly versatile for all your gluing needs. It's incredibly simple to apply. It dries and hardens in seconds, saving you valuable time. Once cured, it can be easily machined, tapped, sanded, or painted. This gives you great flexibility. It works where other glues fail. It's perfect for tough repairs, even on cars. Engineered and manufactured in Germany. You can trust its superior quality and performance. What we like. This is one of the strongest CA adhesives available, bonding materials as strongly as welding. If you need an incredibly strong bond and ease of use, this is the product for you. Its strength and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of applications. What people say. I poured a few drops of Pasco Fix into the 2 cracks, clamped the cracks tight and then sprinkled the Pasco fill on the inside of the D-hole and also on the outside of the cracks. The cracks disappeared and the knob is good as new. I did this similarly by dripping a small amount of the Pasco Fix on the side fairing strip and the broken tab, 3 of them, and after holding in place, squeezed a small amount of the Pasco fill powder at the edges. This bonded it. This is a superior bonding agent which was used for the repair of a small metal part for an antique firearm. Superglue, Gorilla Glue, etc. are only good for plastic and ceramics. This adhesive gets it all done, with the toughest use being for metal, which can be sanded and filed. Number 1. Vicpricme Metal Glue. This advanced 2-part epoxy glue is incredibly strong and versatile. Its mayonnaise-like consistency makes it easy to apply, and the reusable container ensures you get the most out of every purchase. It boasts superior temperature, oil, and chemical resistance, plus incredible impact resistance and strength. It's perfect for tough repairs in automotive, marine, and construction applications. This glue sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours, creating a bond strong enough to withstand extreme temperatures. It's ideal for metal, plastic, wood, and more. From fixing cracked bumpers to repairing water tanks, its versatility makes it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. It's a cost-effective solution for a wide range of repairs. Simply mix equal parts, apply to the clean surface, press the parts together, and let it set. It's that simple to achieve professional-looking repairs. What we like. This heavy-duty epoxy boasts exceptional temperature and chemical resistance, along with superior strength. If you need a glue for extreme conditions and demanding repairs, this is the ultimate choice. Its high performance makes it suitable for automotive, marine, and industrial applications. What people say. Glue mixes and spreads well. Glue must set for 24 hours, but we only had about 12 hours. Even though the glue only cured for 12 hours, it held up. Didn't come apart. Been working on a 1999 Chevy Silverado restoration. The door cards or door panels, whichever you prefer, are held in place with 3 screws. The plastic bracket under the door handle had broken off. I used this glue weld, first by gluing a small washer in place. After that dyed, blue painter's tape to form a shape I needed. Filled the form, the next day peeled off the tape and used a Dremel tool for shaping. Drilled a 3/16 hole and mounted the door panel. It worked very well to my surprise. Easy to work with, dispensers work well, epoxy does what they say. Sets a little longer than 5 minutes, which worked well for Maine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.